Dear students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 6th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let us begin the class.
Dear students, we are entering into a new chapter, very important chapter, chapter number 10, equations. You should be very serious and careful in this topic because equations which you start in 6th standard now will be used hereafter everywhere in mathematics. You will learn more about equation, more types of equations in the years to come. So in that respect, this is very important. I will try my level best to make it as simple as possible for you, so that you will have a very firm base about what is equation. The concept of equation starts from the concept of equal to sign, I would say. Both equation and equal to sign is having common spelling, at least at the start of it. Both are having EQUA, and equal is a spelling of equal to. This is the symbol of this. That means equation is having a very close connection with this equal to sign. And we have also have a concept of equality whenever we think about a common balance. Understood? That is why your textbook is also starting this lesson by telling you about a balance. Balance in the sense that a common balance. So let me take you to the concept of equation. Suppose that you are asked to find two numbers. You are asked to find two numbers. Look here, two numbers and a mathematical operation to get the answer 15. So you are asked to find out two numbers which will give you 15 by a mathematical operation. You may simply write 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15, correct? Let me make this little narrow, okay. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. The other may say that no sir, 5 into 3 is equal to 15. The third person may say that no sir, 17 minus 2 is equal to 15. So there are a lot of options to write 15 in a mathematical operation, correct? If anybody is writing 13 plus 2 is equal to 15, correct? If somebody is saying that 45 divided by 5 is also, sorry, not 5, sorry, 3 is also equal to 15. So there are a lot of operations which will give you an answer 15, correct? So in that way, so suppose that if I say 10 plus 5, I know that it is 15, 10 plus 5, an operation, is equal to 45 divided by 3. Is there any mistake in that? No, because this is 15, this is 15. So there are two different operations. One is addition and another is division. And entirely different numbers, but there is an equal to sign. Here comes the importance of equation. Equation is always having an equal to sign in between. The left side of the equation will be equal to the right side. That is the reason by which your textbook is showing a picture of a balance over here to explain you. Balance is very common. We have seen the balance in a number of situations. In the market we see, in the grocery shop we see, some are having balance at home. So this balancing of left side and right side, that is what is the fundamental of equation. Now that concept of equation we will apply a little further to make ourselves understand how can we can make an equation? Making an equation means certain situation will come in our life where we can make equation and solve the problem. So we will just try to go to that direction. Okay, so let me remove whatever is written over here and go to the next page. Okay, let me go to the next page. Next page in the sense next screen, I mean. Here is a simple diagrammatic representation. The representation is telling us something between, I think it is between school and home. So this is the house. And this is the school. So there is a school, there is a house. And there is a straight road of distance 300 meter. And there is a shop over here. The third one is a shop. And between the school and the house it is. And distance between the shop and the house is 190 meter. What is the distance between the school and the shop? School here hai, shop here. What is the distance? This is the question. Not a big deal. ये तो हम बहुत easily करते हैं. But in the chapter equation, we will try to develop a new concept of solving this kind of situation because it will come again and again in our mathematics. So what we will do is, if we don't know the distance here, this is the distance to be calculated, we will put a letter or alphabet in order to indicate that distance. Like this, we will put X meter is the distance between school and shop. The distance from school and the house is given as 300 meter, and this distance is given as 190 meter, that is between the shop and the house. Now what is unknown is given as X meter. We used a letter for a number first time in mathematics. Now, if that is what we are doing, why we are doing? Because it is unknown. Unknown quantity can be represented by English alphabet temporarily to solve the situation. We also know that if we add this particular, I don't know how much it is, plus 190, that is this, the total will be equal to 300, we know, because it is given that the distance from school to the house is 300 meter. We know that. That is what is given. X plus 190 is equal to 300 meter, that we know. And now the value of X is the distance between school and shop. So let us try it out various numbers. क्या हो सकते हैं? X plus 190 is equal to 300, it is given. तो हम अलग अलग नंबर डाल के देखेंगे. इधर 10 डालेगा तो it will become 190, it will become 200. तो 10 नहीं है हमारा आंसर. सपोज 100 डालेगा तो this will become 290. तो और एक 10 चाहिए. 110 डालेगा. So 110 plus 190 is equal to 300. We got the answer. X is equal to, X जो हमको मालूम नहीं है, उधर 110 लिखना है. Here it is 110. But it is easy because these numbers are simple. That means 110 meter is the value of X. And X was not, we were not knowing the value of X. It was unknown. And X can be any number. So we call X as a variable. In an equation, whenever we make an equal to sign, what we did was X plus 190 is equal to 300. This is an equation because there is an equal to sign. And in that we calculated the value of X, which can be anything, so we named it as variable. X is a variable. Variable means something which can carry any value, variable, different. And we got a solution. The solution is 110. Understood? The solution for the equation is 110. So what I am trying to tell you, I told you what is an equation, what is a variable, what is a solution. I have always said, whenever you are trying to learn something new, you will be having the language of that new topic, whether it is maths, science, social studies or anything. Suppose that, as I have told you before, you are going to learn about, for example, banking, your bank. You should know certain terms like what is in by cash, what is in by checkbook, what is in by passbook. Correct? You should also know certain things like savings account, interest, fixed deposit. These are terms related with banking. Suppose that you are going to learn something very seriously about football game as a game. You should know certain terms like penalty, right? Foul kick. So there are terms which is related to every topic. Here the topic is equation. You are having terms related to equation like variable, solution, equation, etc. Okay. So this is the first thing you should remember and understand. So if x plus 190 is equal to 300, it is an equation. And in order to get what is x, what we did? We know that x is equal to 110 by putting the number, different number. X plus 190 is equal to 300. Correct? हमको क्या चाहिए? We need x is equal to what? So we don't want 190 here on the left side. We need only x on the left side. So but it is there. क्या करूं? ठीक है, इसको निकाल देता हूं. मैथमेटिकली रिमूव कर रहा हूं. 190 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. तो प्लस 190 माइनस 190 जीरो हो गया ना. बट वी नो दैट इन ए बैलेंस जो पहले स्टार्टिंग में दिया था, if you are having a weight here, something over here, maybe fruits. If it is balancing, then it will be balancing. But if you add something here, you should add something over here to keep balance. If you remove something from here, you should remove from here so that it will remain balanced. So here it is removed. Subtraction is removal. Subtracting 190. So what we will do? We will subtract 190 from right side also. तो अपना balancing बराबर होगा, equal to बराबर होगा. So 190 minus 190 is equal to 0. X तो वैसे ही रहेगा बेचारा. Then 300 minus 190 is equal to 110. तो हमको क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? X is equal to 110. तो यही तो मिला था अपना ट्रायल एंड एरर में. मतलब we made equation and we solved equation. हम भी थोड़ा स्मार्ट बन गए. x plus 0 is equal to 110. X is equal to 110. My dear student, in the life, first time you made an equation and solved it. I could show you that. Make it a habit that whenever there is a problem, मैथमेटिक्स में होने दो, दूसरा कुछ प्रॉब्लम होने दो, एवरी प्रॉब्लम हैज गॉट ए सोल्यूशन. ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, सब प्रॉब्लम को सोल्यूशन है, लेकिन सोल्यूशन के पहले वो सोल्यूशन मिलने का एक इक्वेशन बनाना पड़ता है. Understood? Love this kind of topic in mathematics. It will benefit you a lot. Now we are going to make another equation and solve another problem. This will become a hobby or habit for you hereafter. As I told you, equation making will be a part of mathematics hereafter for throughout your learning of mathematics and even after completing the study of mathematics. मतलब equations बनाना, solution बनाना, ये सब common thing हो जाएगा. That is very sure about. Chalo, we will think about solving this particular question. 4 years ago, Daljit was 8 years old. कोई छोटा है बड़ा इसलिए पिक्चर आ गया. हाउ ओल्ड इज ही टुडे, आज उनका एज क्या है, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. चलो, वी विल ट्राई टू understand. First, we should think what is the question. 4 years ago, Daljit was 8 years old, and how old is he today? So let Daljit nahi, Diljit be. Let Diljit be. What is the question? How old is he today? डी ईयर्स नाउ, मैंने बोला उनका ईयर है, मैंने लेटर यूज़ करा है ना, हमारा तो इक्वेशन में डी चाहिए, एक लेटर्स चाहिए. डी ईयर्स टुडे, मैंने लिख दिया दिलजीत का एज डी है टुडे. इट इज गिवन 4 years ago दिलजीत वॉज 8 years old. सो अगर डी है अभी, 4 years टू अवे मीन्स 4 माइनस करना पड़े, तभी उसका ईयर्स कितना है, 8 years का है दिलजीत. वी गॉट एन इक्वेशन d माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू 8. जैसे पहले मिला हमको d इज इक्वल टू लिखना है, तो ये 4 को निकालना पड़ेगा. कैसे निकालूं, d माइनस 4 है तो उसको प्लस 4 करेंगे, 0 हो गया ना, तो राइट साइड में भी 4 करना पड़ेगा. एंड वी विल राइट हियर एडिंग 4 टू बोथ साइड. तो क्या हो गया, d plus 0 is equal to 12. Then we will write d is equal to 12. What is d? D is Diljit's age as on today. So the age is, that means we will write Diljit is 12 years old today. अंडरस्टूड माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मेथोडोलॉजी सिखा रहा हूँ. आप बोलेंगे ये तो बिना करके भी मुझे आता था पहले, आज 4 साल पहले जिस 8 years है तो अभी तो 12 ही होगा ना. बट मैथ्स में बोलने को मौका नहीं है, हमको करके दिखाना पड़ता है. सो वी विल डू इट लाइक दिस. ओके, इफ यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट यू कैन डू अकॉर्डिंगली. चलो, विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन. Jasmine has some money. Jasmine के पास पैसा है. चाहे पैसा होना है, बड़ा बड़ा नोट होना है, 1000 का 2000 का, पुराना नोट है, रहने दो उनके पास. Mother gave her 7 rupees. Jasmine now has 10 rupees. How much did she give to start with? Mother gave her 7 rupees. Jasmine now has 10 rupees. 7 rupees दिए तो Jasmine का 10 rupees हो गया. इसका मतलब she had some money with her before. How much she had? बोलेंगे 3 rupees ना सर, सबको मालूम है, लेकिन मैथमेटिकली कैसे करूँ? तो बोलेंगे कि let us think Jasmine had a particular amount. Jasmine had y rupees. Jasmine को मैं होता तो j rupees बोलना था, y rupees. एंड y plus 7, y था, उसके साथ ये Jasmine के पास था. उसके बाद मम्मी ने 7 रुपीज़ वो ऐड किए तो कितना हुआ था, 10 रुपीज़. दैट मीन्स ये इक्वेशन हो गया हमारा, इक्वेशन आ गया. Now we have to remove this 7 because we have to write y is equal to, so we will subtract 7 on left side, subtract left 7 on both side. Then we got y plus 0 is equal to 3, y is 3. It means Jasmine had 3 rupees at the start. Jasmine had 3 rupees to start with. What is this? There are some pedas in a box. Peda कैसा अपना पेड़ा. Okay. There are some pedas in a box. If some children are given 2 pedas each, पेड़ा would be enough for 20 children. दो दिए तो 20 children के लिए पेड़ा है. If some children are given 2 pedas each, कुछ बच्चों को पेड़ा दे रहे, दो देगा, तो 20 स्टूडेंट को देने को होता है. तो हमको क्या पूछ रहे हैं? How many pedas are there in the box? तो बॉक्स में P pedas है. कितना? P is the alphabet I am using. P is the number of pedas. P. Now अगर P pedas है, हर एक बच्चों को 2 दिया. एक मिनट, ये जरा ब्लैक करना चाहो. हर एक स्टूडेंट को 2 दिया या हर एक बच्चे को 2 दिया तो 20 चिल्ड्रन को हो गया. P pedas जब 2 से डिवाइड करेगा 20 मिलते, दैट इज वाई 20 को दिया. तो वी गॉट एन इक्वेशन. इक्वेशन इज P अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू 20. P क्या है? टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेडास. वही तो पूछा है, हाउ मेनी पेडास आर देयर. लेकिन इश्यू क्या, इधर प्लस माइनस नहीं ना, तुमको कुछ दूसरा आइडिया निकालना पड़ेगा. P अपॉन 2 है इधर, इसको कैंसिल करता हूं. P अपॉन 2 इंटू 2 करेगा, ये 2 निकल जाएगा. तो राइट साइड में भी 20 इंटू 2 करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज व्हाट इज डन हियर. सो वी गॉट P इज इक्वल टू 40. P इज इक्वल टू 40. क्यों? हमको P अपॉन 2 मिला ना. हमको P इज इक्वल टू लिखना है तो हम क्या करेंगे? मैं जरा वापस दिखाता हूँ. इधर मैं एक आइडिया निकालूंगा कि इधर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इधर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इधर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई, ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 2 डिवाइड बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 1. सो आंसर क्या आएगा? 1P इज इक्वल टू 40. एंड व्हाट इज P? P इज द नंबर ऑफ पेडास. व्हाट इज आस्क्ड? हाउ मेनी पेडास आर देयर? तो 40 पेड़ा था, 2 दिया, 20 बच्चे को मिला. वेरी सिंपल. इक्वेशन कैन सेव everything. Is there any more? Yes. 5 chocolates cost 25 rupees. मालूम पड़ा, 5 रुपए का चॉकलेट है. हाँ, चॉकलेट भी है. How much does 1 cost? मैंने आंसर ही बता दिया. If 1 chocolate costs k rupees, correct? 5 into k is equal to 25. This 5k. एक चॉकलेट का पैसा कितना है? k रुपीस है. कैन यू अल्फाबेट यू कैन यूज. सो विल राइट 5 इंटू k इज इक्वल टू 25. अभी हमको k इज इक्वल टू लिखना है तो 5 को हम डिवाइड करेंगे. दोनों साइड 5 से डिवाइड किया. सो नेचुरली वी गॉट k इज इक्वल टू 5 रुपीस. ये तो हमको बिना करके भी आता है, बट मैथमेटिक्स में ऐसा करना पड़ता है. ये देखो हमने क्या बोला? 5k is equal to 20. What is 5k means? 5 into k. Cost of 1 chocolate is equal to 25. फिर हमने सोचा अगर 5k 25 मतलब इसका मतलब है 5 into k. Then to remove 5 we will divide it with 5. तो ये 5 कैंसिल हो गया, तो k अकेला हो गया. ये 5 करने से हमको 5 मिल गया. That is what is written. 1k is equal to 5. That means cost of 1 chocolate is equal to 5 rupees. Understood? So this way equations are very interesting and it will solve your problem. Whatever operation you carried out on one side, same operation you should carry out on both sides of the equation. One important point. Then when any of the following operations are carried out on an equation, the equation remain balanced. What is that? Adding same number on both sides, subtracting same number on both sides, and multiplying both sides with the same number, या dividing both sides with the same number, the equation remain balanced. ये हमारा main learning है इसमें से. This is the main point or main learning. Understood, my dear students? I took slowly, simply, because this is about equation first introduction about equations, very important chapter. You will solve all the problems of problem set number 27. सब लोग वेट कर रहे हैं अभी सर आंसर बता के देंगे, नहीं दूंगा. वाई? बिकॉज इक्वेशन बनाओ सॉल्व करो, इक्वेशन बनाओ सॉल्व करो, ये आदत नहीं है, मैथ्स नहीं पढ़ सकते. आप खुद करेंगे, आराम से करेंगे, स्लोली करेंगे, करेक्ट आंसर मिलने तक करेंगे, एंड यू विल बिकम स्मार्ट. थैंक यू.
Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.